welcome back. So today Chef Steph is going to be ripping it up. No, we're not ripping it up. We are whipping up a super bowl. I cannot say, I've been trying to say this like 7 times. Super bowl. Why do I keep saying super dole? We're gonna be whipping up a recipe that's perfect for we are gonna be whipping up a recipe that's perfect for Super Bowl Sunday or any kind of Sunday dinner, family gathering. I know we're not really doing gatherings these days, but it's perfect finger food, appetizer, game day food, party food, anything like that. So I'm gonna be doing a sausage roll and a pepperoni roll, or sausage bread, pepperoni bread, whatever you guys call it. But basically it's bread, cheese, and either sausage or pepperoni, or both if you're feeling crazy. But where I live, and pretty much like all of the family functions that I've ever been to, pretty much everyone I know is Italian. I'm not Italian, but basically I would say 95% of the people in my life are. This is always at every function, so it's super yummy. You can have it as a meal if you want. It's basically kind of like pizza or like a calzone, but just like in a long tubular format. So if you guys are interested in that, keep watching. I also wanted to do a little Valentine's Day loungewear haul, but the FedEx man is playing games with me. I've been waiting for this package literally for the past 5 days, and I don't know if it's gonna happen. So stay tuned to the end of this video to find out if it's happening, because I'm not sure if it's happening. If you guys have been following my Instagram stories, you know that Rose had surgery on her ACL. She had a torn ACL, so she's on crate confinement for the next 3 months. She pretty much can only come out to go to the bathroom, to eat, and you know, when we're right next to her, so she can't run away or like jump on anything. So I gotta take her outside. Look at her leg. It's probably so cold. Her lick sleeve that goes over top, I just took it off because I'm washing it. Why are you eating snow? I feel like that's probably a sign that you're not getting your nutrients. That is yellow snow. No, no, no. We don't do that. That is not very sanitary. Good girl. Good girl. That was fun. A nice little outing. I feel so sad for her. It's been a little bit since her surgery. It's been like a little over a week now. So I'm sure she's feeling a lot better, but she just can't be moving a lot because we don't want to risk it re-tearing. We don't want to risk it. In the crate she goes, because I just cannot keep an eye on her at all times, and I would hate for something to happen to her. So when I'm not right next to her, she has to be right here. But Rose, everyone loves you. It breaks my heart. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I love you so much. I'm so sorry. Don't look at me like that. The weather today is prime, okay? It is 30 and sunny. And if you are a New Yorker, or if you live in the Northeast or Canada or anything like that, anywhere that it is cold during the winter, you know how this is feeling right now. Like, it feels so good. 30 and sunny in January is like, I'm gonna wear a t-shirt and a tank top. I might even, you know, try on a swimsuit just to see how we're feeling. But 30 and sunny in October or November, it's not the same. It is the same, but it hits different. That is the true definition of it hits different. Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen? Who do you guys want to win though? I'm gonna go with the Bucks, because when I think of Buck, I think of Young Buck from G-Unit, and that's the mascot that I'm gonna go for. Versus, what's the other team? A Chief? I'm not immediately associating that word with anything that I love. Chief. No, nothing. I got nothing. I'm gonna run into the grocery store really quick and grab all of the things I need. Yeah, I'm drinking a Diet Coke out of a bottle. I asked for it at the drive-thru and they gave me a freaking bottle. That's why we only go to McDonald's for a Diet Coke. This song is so perfect because we're making a sausage roll. a sausage roll, pepperoni roll. But on a more serious note, can we all just agree that Tootsie Rolls are absolutely trash? Like, how could that ever be someone's favorite candy? It's hard, it gets stuck in your teeth, it looks like something very disgusting that my dog probably left on the floor for me. It is not good. Are they still in production? Like, have you ever heard of like a friend saying, oh my god, I gotta go buy more Tootsie Rolls, I'm all out? No, you've never heard anyone say that. You've never heard it. I'm sorry. I don't believe in Tootsie Rolls. Thank you for coming to my Tootsie talk. So here's everything you're gonna need for the rolls or the breads, whatever you guys call them. Pizza dough, I'm making 2, so that's why I have 2, but just regular pizza dough. So I have hot Italian sausage. Definitely use hot Italian sausage. I think it tastes way better. And I'm using turkey everything because I've said this in past videos, but Tommy does not eat red meat. But of course you can use regular pork sausage and regular pepperoni, but I'm just using turkey pepperoni. And I bought 2 different kinds. This kind I've tried before, this brand. It's pretty good, but I wanted to try this one also because these are like kind of like thicker. Do you see those slices? They're a little bit thicker, so we'll see which one tastes better. But I bought both just to try. You're also gonna need cheese. This is some grated pecorino romano. And then we have mozzarella. So you can use pretty much any cheese blend you like. You could get like the pizza blend, Italian blend, whatever. I just got this because I needed a big bag. And obviously you can shred your own if you're feeling ambitious and super cool, but I am not. So this is pretty much all you're gonna need, I believe. If I forgot anything, obviously I will tell you, but let's just get started. I'm gonna brown up a few lengths of this. I probably will do like 3 or 4 lengths and just brown them up in a pan. I really need to get one of those like meat crusher things that I keep forgetting. So while that's browning, I'm going to slice up this pepperoni. Here comes my friend. These are not for you. I just tried this kind and I think that I do prefer this one, the Applegate. Update, just use a whisk. It basically is the same idea as that thing that's on Amazon. I'm gonna get this out of the bag. And then you kind of just wanna stretch it out. I like to do mine on parchment paper just because it's not sticky and I just feel like it works. And it's easier to clean up that way and it's easier to move around the rolls that way. So once you got it in a moderately rectangular inspired shape, then we're gonna add in the sausage. And you want to try to keep it relatively in the center so you don't have tons of sausage squeezing out the sides. Then I'm gonna go in and just add a few shakes of Italian seasoning, and mine, I actually just dump in a bunch of garlic powder in mine because I find that anytime I'm using this, I always like want to add more garlic powder. Then I'm gonna take my Romano cheese, sprinkle that on over top, and then we will go in with the mozzarella. And same thing with this, you want to kind of keep it in the center so when you're rolling it, you're not getting too much squeezing out. Some people like to add like marinara or sauce in theirs. I don't, because then I feel like it's too close to pizza or too close to a calzone, you know? So I just like it with meat and cheese. Then I'm just gonna start rolling it. I would say just like a cinnamon roll, but I've never made cinnamon rolls, so I don't wanna, you know, be fake. Cause I don't know that life. You guys know me, I don't like to bake really. There's very few things in life that I like to bake. And then on the ends, I kind of just like fold them in as I'm rolling. Kind of like a big lumpia roll, if you will. And we're gonna pick her up, set her down on the pan that we're gonna bake. Okay, and then it should just look something like this, a creepy little creature. You can brush it with oil. So then we're gonna do the same thing, but with the pepperoni. And then I'm just gonna brush the top of that with a little bit of olive oil and some garlic powder that I just put in there. So I realized I forgot to show you guys this step on the other one, but yeah. 350 degrees for like 30-ish minutes, or until the bread is done. Sometimes like some of the thicker parts will take longer to cook if you know you didn't roll it properly, like sometimes I do, but you just want to check and make sure the dough is cooked through. So I just got my order in and they only sent 2 out of like the 12 things that I ordered, so this is a separate order, so there's not as much stuff that I planned on showing you, so whatever. But this is from ASOS. It's like this nice like teddy style material. It's super soft, off the shoulder. I think they have like other pieces that go with this set as well. And then these nice, not like sweatpants, but they're like pajama pants. They're not like a fitted legging, which I like. I feel like a lot of pieces this material are like a legging, and sometimes you don't want something so form-fitting. So this is so cozy and I love it. And the color is like a baby pink, but it almost has like a lavender undertone to it. Then this next set is from Revolve, and Revolve is obviously way more expensive, but the quality that you're gonna get from Revolve is a lot better. So this I love. It's like this neutral with these little pink hearts. Perfect for Valentine's Day. So soft. The top and the bottom have a drawstring, which I don't know how I feel about that, but you could wear these separately. Together, I feel like that's a lot of drawstrings happening, but it's really cute little like jogger set and really cozy. Then this next set is also from Revolve. I believe it's the same brand as the last one because it's like the same print and the same colors, just like jumbo and supersized. So again, nude with these cute little pink hearts. And the color of this nude is actually very similar to my actual skin tone. But yeah, this one is a little short set, so I would have to turn the heat up to wear this one around my house. But yeah, you could definitely wear these as separates if you don't want to be like full on hearts from top to bottom, or if like you're wearing it, oh my god, my sausage bread is probably burning. Or if you're like wearing it not on Valentine's Day and you don't want to be like overkill. This is cute. And the shorts are short, but not like full on bootay shorts. So here we have the finished product. I would highly recommend you guys making these for, you know, Super Bowl, or even if you're not watching the Super Bowl, just make them. Make them, tag me on Instagram, hashtag me, Chef Steph. I love when you guys make my recipes. It honestly is a little bit more exciting to me than you recreating my makeup looks. So I used a new makeup product today, the Charlotte Tilbury, I think it's called Wonder Glow. It looked okay earlier, but now I feel like the glow is just looking a little greasy. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. So here is the final product. The pepperoni didn't come out as good, but it is gonna taste good. You know my specialty is not presentation, but I think the sausage looks pretty cute. A cute sausage. I apologize about the Valentine's Day clothing situation. That's kind of out of my control, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to eat 2 lines of these. Like some people like, you know, rows of Oreos. I just like rows of bread, carbs and cheese and meat.